Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Dimmer switches, while offering convenient control over your home's ambience, are not immune to issues that can quickly turn convenience into frustration. One of the most common complaints is flickering lights. This often stems from incompatibility, especially with modern LED bulbs. Traditional incandescent dimmers, known as leading-edge or forward-phase dimmers, are designed for resistive loads and don't always play well with the electronic drivers in LEDs, leading to erratic flickering or even premature bulb failure. Another significant cause of flickering can be loose wiring connections, either at the dimmer switch itself, at the light fixture, or within the electrical box. An overloaded circuit, where the total wattage of the connected bulbs exceeds the dimmer's maximum rating, will also cause lights to flicker, strain the switch, and potentially create a fire hazard. Beyond flickering, a persistent buzzing sound emanating from the dimmer switch or the light fixture is another frequent problem. This noise can be attributed to several factors, including the type of dimmer being used, particularly with magnetic low voltage, MLV, transformers often found in track lighting, or simply a poor quality dimmer itself. Incompatible bulbs, especially certain LEDs or CFLs that are not designed for dimming, can also induce buzzing. Furthermore, an overloaded dimmer can cause its internal components to vibrate and hum as they struggle to handle the excessive current. You might also encounter situations where your lights aren't dimming properly, perhaps sticking at a certain brightness level, not dimming at all, or failing to turn off completely. This is very common with LEDs if the dimmer lacks the necessary minimum load requirement. Many LED dimmers need a certain amount of wattage to operate correctly, and if the total wattage of your LED bulbs is too low, the dimmer may not function as intended. Incorrect wiring during installation, such as not having a neutral wire where one is required for certain smart dimmers, can also lead to these control issues. A dimmer switch that gets hot to the touch is a serious concern and indicates an overloaded circuit or a faulty dimmer unit. Heat is a byproduct of electrical resistance, and excessive heat suggests the switch is working beyond its capacity, which could be a safety risk and lead to premature failure. Intermittent operation, where the dimmer works sometimes and not others, often points to loose connections, internal component wear and tear, or a failing dimmer module that is on its last legs. Over time, the internal electronics or mechanical parts can degrade, leading to unreliable performance. Finally, a complete failure of the dimmer switch, where it simply stops working altogether, can be due to a short circuit, an internal component breakdown, or simply the end of its lifespan. Always ensure you are using a dimmer specifically rated for the type of bulbs, incandescent, halogen, CFL, or LED, and the total wattage of your lighting load to avoid these common problems. And if you're unsure, consulting a qualified electrician is always the safest bet. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more home improvement tips.